Greetings, greetings, greetings. You ever feel weak yet? As a matter of fact, you feel weak right now? Well, me have news for you. A time for you get happy. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time, if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, so that you will not miss none of what I go on right or so. 5 o'clock Jamaica time, every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from Paul's second letter to the Corinthians, chapter 12, from verse 1 to verse 10. I have to go on brag and boast, even though nothing good now come from it. No, I go brag and boast about the vision them where the Lord give people, and about the secret sitting them where make them come to understand. Me know one man, when a Christ Jesus follower them, what 14 years ago, he get take up in the highest part of heaven. Me don't know if him body did get take up or just him spirit did go to heaven. Only God know. And me know said that man ya, whether him body or him spirit did get take up. Only God know. Me know say he get take up in a heaven. And he hear some sitting where he wouldn't even know how to tell him about them. He hear some sitting where so secret. Nobody supposed to talk about them. Me will brag and boast about somebody like that. But when it come to me only go boast about the sitting them where sure say me weak. But even if me boast about the sitting them where happen to me wouldn't have gone like say me a fool, cause me wouldn't have talk the truth. But me not go do that. Me not do it, cause me no want none of you to big me up and respect me just cause of the sitting them what happen to me. Me want you to respect me, sake of when you see and hear me teach. And for tap me from get boast about the sitting them when me see. God love one of Satan angel them. Fi come in like maca in a me side. The angel they always cause me pain so that me will not get bossy. A 3 times me beg the Lord to make it go away from me. But him tell me say, me will good to you. And that all you go ever need. Cause when you're weak, at that time there, you will really see for me power. So me happy for boast about the sitting them will make me weak. Me will boast about them so that Christ Jesus' power will cover me and protect me. So me happy say me weak. When people treat me bad, when trouble take me, when people cause me to suffer, and when things hard, me still happy. Me happy for suffer for Christ Jesus. Cause when me weak, at that time there, me strong. And God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.